So today we're going to do the dreaded chore of the freezer. I have 3, 4, 5. So 3 big ones and 2 refrigerator ones. So today we're gonna start with this one. We may hit the second one over here, but this is like 17 cubic foot, and it's a refrigerator freezer convertible. So when I don't have a lot of freezer stuff, you could use it as a fridge. So let's get started. The reason I'm doing this is because it's just about time for a cow. And as you can see, there's no room in here for a cow. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Alright. Let's see what we got. I got some corn. Some fajita peppers. Fajita peppers. We bought these bulk with River City Produce and cut them all up. They're really good. And then these are for chicken on the grill. They're squares. We just found 3 fajita bags that were open. Oh, did you see my shirt? I love it. Spinach. Freezes really well, but again, it's not going to be anything you can eat. Like a salad, you have to put it in soup or something. I don't know. Ooh, I have a lot more meat than I thought left over. Do you see that? It's a whole shelf. We only have 1 package of carrots and 1 package of Brussels sprouts. So I guess I'm going to be moving the meat down. Put the apples up here. The spinach, I need to get it back in there. It is defrosting. So why do I freeze my peppers? You have all these other options. You can can them, you can dehydrate them, you can freeze dry them. I don't particularly like them that way. Their skins get really tough, and even when they rehydrate, their skins are tough, even with freeze dried, I found. So I prefer to freeze them, which makes it tough because they do take up a lot of room. And we're going to put these in here. There. Okay. What do we got here? I've got an oxtail here. Someone have a good recipe for an oxtail? Let me know. I'd love to try it. think we'll put the pepperoni in here. I love pepperoni. I have a couple of big sticks of pepperoni. These are really, really strong because they're about 10 years old, and they are wonderful. So pepperoni stores beautifully in your freezer for a long time. Okay, pepperoni. So we have, what do we have left? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We have 13 pounds left. All right. Oh. So what do we have here? So for those of you that don't know what the difference between chili, hamburger, and stew meat. So hamburger is the finest ground. Chili is ground on the biggest one. So a lot of times I mix the chili and hamburger in what I'm making, because there's a chewy texture with the chili and not so with the hamburger. And then stew meat is cubes. We're gonna move that down here. And then we have our fish. Hang on, we'll put the fish up here. So definitely got a ways to go on meat before we can get a cow. So I put the open packages up here of peppers, and then I have carrots, butternut squash down here, 1 package of carrots, Brussels sprouts, an unopened corn, and an opened corn. And then we just have the chocolate chips. Which makes sense down here. Two, 4, 8. So, probably have 2 months of meat in here. Just in here. And you'll notice there's no chicken. Chicken doesn't go in here, it goes in this other freezer. So, since I'm not exhausted yet, let's go to the other freezer. And there we go, this is my chest freezer. Oh, what a mess. So these should go in this other freezer. I'll do that. They were corn tortillas. This is yogurt cultures, so that I never run out. You know you can do that, right? Take some yogurt and freeze it up. Hopefully these haven't been frozen for too long. I'll have to try one. I don't buy my chicken from the grocery store. I buy from Wild Fork. So I have some whole chickens here. I've had problems one time with them being delivered, and I had ordered something like 20, and 2 of them were in a box by themselves, and they thawed. And Wild Fork gave me my money back. They were giving me the whole order back, and I said, no, 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 no. The other ones were fine. We cooked them immediately. They were still frozen in the center, and so we just cooked them up. They were fine. So this is what I was after. This is fat to render. So we're going to leave that out. We're going to render that. It's one of my roosters. Look at the difference. It might be one of the hens. And then we have another chicken. I think I'm going to leave the chicken in here. So I know where it is. Ooh, that's a big one. Put that one on the bottom. For company, that's another big one. I'll put that one on top of that one. So 2 big ones and 2 smaller ones. And then mine. Ooh. So butter. When I see butter on sale, I stock. I got some cheese, some Colby. I'll put my thermometer back in before it starts alarming. We have some more butternut squash. I'll put it down in here with the other butternut squash. Some bread. Some onions for broth. Butter. Butter. Some more tortillas, some more cheese. We got some mozzarella and some Colby block. More corn tortillas. And a package of yeast. I would say this yeast is probably, I don't know, maybe 7 years old. 12, 10. I can't tell if that's it. Let me go get my, it says best used by, let me go get my glasses. Okay, now that I have my glasses on, it says best used by 12, no, 12, 10, 12. 2012? I believe that. But I can't tell. It is washed off. I think it's washed off. But it's really old. I can tell you that much. Alright. So let me pop this out. I gotta see what's under it. Prime rib roast. That was supposed to be for Christmas last year. And family was out for Christmas, so we didn't do it, so we'll do that this Christmas. More yeast. Let's see if it has an expiration date on it. 2012, so yeah, these are 2012. Still using them, still good. Oh, and more yeast. Purchased in bulk from my Spicer. Hell of a sale. Don't know why I need that much yeast, but I think I'm gonna put it all in the same spot. So yeast and protein bars are down there. What is this? We have a nice rump roast. I'm going to put the prime rib under here since we won't be using that till Christmas. Okay. Gonna have to rethink this. There, we'll get that thing. There we go. Alright. I don't know if there's enough room under it for rumpers. Let's try. Nope. Rump roast is too big. Take that out. So let's get the butter in here. Two, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7's all that will fit. Yeah. I guess I could take these apart and that one would fit. I don't think I want to do that. Put it right there for now. So, I don't know if you can see all the way down. The very bottom, there's a trash bag. Let me get this up. Oof. Okay. This is for my sister. My beautiful sister. It's her hamburger. So we're storing that for her. So I've got that on the bottom so I don't accidentally use it. And then this bag is my bacon bag. What's in my bacon? And onions. I have some sliced onions and bacon. Normally this is full of bacon, but for some reason sliced onions ended up in there. Alright, so we have a rump roast left over here. I think I can put it right on top. This is for making broth. And I have 2 more soup bones, 2 more packages of soup bones in my other freezer for broth. I know that. Alrighty. Cheese. Nope, won't fit there. We can put it in here. And then yogurt cultures. Those we can put right here. And then we need to put our thermometer. Okay, so we got 2 done today. We can put this right here. We got room. And we'll put the rump roast there so that we can see. But I'll leave the butter up here so we know to use it. The butter in the other freezer goes first, and then this one. So I'll move some of this over there once we're ready. We're getting close to having to defrost. I will have to chip some of this off. Yeah, we'll probably have to do it like that. Just to make sure that the lid doesn't get blocked. There we go. I know, I should just defrost it the right way. And there we go. 2 out of 3 big freezers done. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with me as we clean the freezers. Blessings.